Irashaimase, minna, ohayou gozaimasu. Are you ready to learn all about ga arimasu? This is going to be such a great and useful lesson, guys. Honestly, once you master this, your Japanese is going to be 2 times better than it already was, if you don't know this already. So that's how important this is. So, welcome to Udon Classroom, guys, where our chefs have prepared you an epic course of grammar for today. And we're going to be learning ga arimasu, which means there is, for non-living things. And we'll be breaking the lesson into 3 different parts. The intro of the grammar concept to really understand it. We'll have example sentences to make sure that you can use it moving forward. We'll have vocabulary from today's lesson that you may not have heard before. So, 今日僕はめっちゃ元気です。お腹空いている? I won't let you guys leave without mastering this grammar. So find a space at the counter, pull up a stool, get comfy, and we'll prepare your meal. And the price, just one simple like. Let's go. 始めましょう.
Explanation.
So ga arimasu and ga aru are used to say there is or something is for non-living things. So ga arimasu is the polite form, ga aru is the more casual form. Now, it can only be used with non-living things. For living things, instead we'd use ga imasu, which we have another video on that, so make sure to check that out. The ga is changed to a ni and wa for places, and it can also mean to have or not have. So that's how we explain this piece of grammar. Let's have a look at the formation.
How do you form it?
So to form it, we have a noun plus ga aru or ga arimasu. It can also be in different tenses, such as ga atta, ga arimashita, ga nai, ga arimasen, ga nakatta, and ga arimasen deshita. But if you haven't done any tenses yet, don't worry, guys. We'll just stick with ga arimasu for now. So let's have a look at some examples now and see how it works. So,
Examples.
たくさんの宿題があります。たくさんの宿題があります。So here we have たくさん, which means a lot. And we have 宿題, which means homework, and then があります, which means there is. So there is a lot of homework, or I have a lot of homework, as this can be interchangeable. So たくさんの宿題があります. I have a lot of homework, or it could also mean there is a lot of homework because the topic of the sentence is not specified here. So let's have a look at a place example. So when we're talking about a location, we'll use ni instead of ga. So カバンがテーブルの上にあります。カバンがテーブルの上にあります。So your bag is on the table. カバンが on top of the table. テーブルの上にあります. There exists. So that's how we have a look at that example. Next example we have is お金があります. お金があります. I have money, or there is money. So that's how we have a look at some of those different ways we can use it. Let's have a few more example sentences, guys, just to make sure that you can get it. So, 人気がある, 人気がある, which means to be popular, or there is popularity.
That's interesting.
部屋にテレビがあります. 部屋にテレビがあります. So, in the room, 部屋に, which is indicating we're pointing towards the room, that's the location. テレビがあります. So there exists a TV. Okay, now the last example sentence, guys, we have 日本の好きじゃないところはあります。日本の好きじゃないところはあります. So there are things I don't like about Japan. So 日本の好きじゃないところ means there are things I don't like about Japan. 日本の好きじゃないところ. So 好きじゃない means to not like. ところ means kind of things. So はあります. There exist things that I don't like about Japan. So I would say if you're confused about this, guys, just stick to the basics like location-wise, 部屋にテレビがあります. So there's a TV in the room, etc. There exists, there is, I have. That's how we use it.
I'm so excited.
Now, there may be some vocabulary here that you haven't heard before, so we will take a look at those now so you can revise them and add to your study list. So first we have takusan, takusan, which means a lot. It means a lot. It's a very useful word that you can use. Next, we have shukudai, shukudai, which means homework. And I like to remember this by thinking if I don't do my homework, my shoes could die. Shoe could die. So lots at stake for this one if you don't do your homework. Next one, we have kaban, kaban, which means bag. So a very useful phrase, a very common used word in Japanese. Then we have teburu, teburu. Now this is in katakana because it's a loan word from English. And that means table. Yeah, you guessed it. Very good. And the last one that we'll do is heya, heya, which means room. Again, a very useful piece that you can remember. So,
ホームワーク宿題
thanks for watching, guys. Remember to watch the video a few times to make sure that you get it. And of course, your homework now. So, this is writing 3 example sentences in the comments. Remember, real progress comes with action. And if you enjoyed today's class, make sure to check out some more of my lessons. I upload a video a day and it all follows a similar format, which I hope you guys find super fun and entertaining. So, みんな、お腹がいっぱいですか? よかったね. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, guys. またね.
Subscribe to the channel 日本語を勉強しましょううどんうどんうどんうどん教室へようこそ始めるぞ